Alright, we're back to work on that MLW 18. And this apparatus I'm showing you right here is I'm testing these trucks. Now, if you remember, I scavenged some trucks from somewhere that look like this. They're FB2s. Here is the kit that you would use from Trackside Parts FB Sideframes. These would only work on Athearn metal side frame locomotives. And when you put them on, it ain't easy. It ain't easy to put them on. And you end up with, see those little silver dots right there? That's pewter, where the old side frame was. And I soldered to one of them. Okay, this pewter is super soft. You can solder to it. You can melt it to get it out of the way. But you got to make sure that that plus the little sockets right there do not interfere with the movement of the truck, which is what we're going to look at right now. So I don't know how many times I've now taken this thing apart and made adjustments and stuff, but what we have here is face ripper motor, silicone shaft, worm is in, and I want to see if they're going to work. So on the benchtop power supply, I'm going to turn up the power. Right now it's at 0. We're going to turn it up. Oh, you already started. I'm at 2 volts. They already started. Oh, dang it. Let's go back. There is 1.6 volts. There's 1.4. 1.1. Now that's pretty good. But it's still drawing some power, as I'm about to show you. He's still drawing some power here. Oh, he stalled. Okay, now let's check it out on the... Okay. He's at 1.1 volts. He is turning. As you can see, he's drawing. Oh, when he stops... Okay, when he stalls, it's 0.11. And some of the stalling is due to me not getting this lined up right, but some of the stalling is due to these trucks don't turn as freely as you might want. So we turn them up to 2 volts. Okay, he's turning now. You see that he's drawing 0.067 amps or so. But he's turning. And that's, I would call that truck a success. That's pretty good. Now we just got to do the other one, and then we got to put some wires on, and then we're going to wire up the underframe so that we're ready to. We're going to have to set. We're going to have to set coupler height, and that's okay. We can do that, and then we'll have to put some wires on, and that's where we're at. That's pretty good. That I like these pewter Trackside Parts frames. They're heavy and they look kind of cool. So we'll see what happens. Looking good so far.